Hello and welcome back. I know it's been a while, but I have some exciting things in store. I want to first start by giving a huge shout out to Avi at Just Right Music. I was fortunate enough to have won this universal audio interface in a contest that he was hosting. His content is extremely valuable and offers a lot of really quality insight, so I strongly recommend you check him out. Over the last few months, I've slowly built something of a workspace. It's temporary, but a place that I can create freely and easily. I graduated this last week with my first college degree. It's been hard to find the time to be in here doing what I love, but it's an important escape in the downtimes that I have had. So I felt like giving you the lowdown on my space. It's just a one-car garage, so within that limitation, I'm very happy with what I've been able to put together. I designed a lot of this room around my toolbox. It's an important piece of equipment to have around, and is almost always my workstation. I'm a really big fan of these M12 drills by Milwaukee. For the smaller projects that I'm often taking on, they work really well for hard-to-reach areas and never lack in power. I try to keep my tools as organized as I can. That way when I'm working on something, I don't have to stress about knowing where it's stored. A lot of this garage was built around that function. I do happen to keep a lot of junk though. Above the toolbox, I got this pegboard from IKEA. It's a great placeholder for different tools while I'm working, and it's perfect for holding the things that I tend to use more frequently, especially drill batteries. I also like to keep sprays, paints, finishes, things like that in a reachable place, somewhere that I can keep an eye on them for temperature control and grab with ease during my projects. In the corner of the garage, I put up some cubbies to organize my shop and microfiber towels. I also like to keep brushes and cleaning attachments in this column. Everything in the garage is labeled too to help maintain the space. This is by far my favorite space in the garage though. As an artist, having a space to clear my head is monumentally important. This will probably be the most you hear about it unless you guys request more, but I really love the simplicity of this corner. I throw up this Alexa device for tunes and media while I'm in here working or working out. I really hate overcomplicating things like exercise, so the equipment is minimal, but the vibes are always right on. I bought this bench on Amazon. I love the versatility of it. Being able to store weights and other accessories helps to keep my space clean without sacrificing too much. I also really dig the matching MDF with the shelving units that I have. The thing that really pulled the workout corner together was this bathroom mirror, and I was lucky enough to find it on OfferUp for $10. Stacking it on top of these slatted sound panels gave it more of an intentional look, and it definitely gives me some big ideas for the future. The second thing this garage was built around was storage. I really needed a way to keep all of my stuff without it feeling like a cluttered mess. These racks and bins were the absolute perfect option. I also put up some magnetic lights that work off of a remote to help with seeing and ease of access. With that said, I have a lot of stuff in store and some very cool videos that are coming soon. They're currently in the editing process, and I hope you guys stick around to see what's next. Until then, take care of yourselves.